Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 4 of how to build a bedroom out of a staircase. So the two stairs are down and in one piece, more or less, and I start to use the demolition hammer to break it down. But during that walk I realize not only do the tiles don't remove very easily, they were actually fit very well, glued very well, and I was surprised. I was thinking one hit with the hammer and the tile would just chip off, but they didn't. So I was using the demolition hammer to break down the concrete in hand or in carryable size of concrete. And I realized that this is much harder than I expected it to be. So I got my Bosch 228 and got a 35 years old 25 millimeters Hilti drill. Yes, that thing is 35 years old and still lasts very well. So I got it and I started to drill holes next to each other in a line, so that when I have this line I can take the demolition hammer, enter in one of the holes, and it will split along these lines. At least that was my idea. I tried to drill the lines along the reinforcement iron so it would split the concrete open, that the reinforcement iron comes out of the concrete straight away, so I can separate the iron and the concrete for
so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. Time